guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to pick up my alaga. Sunduin namin yung alaga ko dun sa nanay. Kasi ano na ako dun. Wanted ako dun kaya di ako napunta na. And now I'm going there to pick it up. Mashallah, painted boy girlfriend Mashallah, mashallah. Ito fixed marriage na ka last? Mm, read my signature. Ay, bastos. Min. Min. Gagi ya jilos. Bongbuang les ya jilos. Le ya jilos. Imagino na. Le ya jilos. Les ya jilos. Iya shop ana?
لا لا ما في شوف هي بس انت وايس
Wais.
ايوه بس انت كلام هي
Ah, boys. Ya isma ana boys. Iti kalam mapikalam inti ada anak ko la daw girlfriend ana don't talk.
هي ولدت
Mashallah, mashallah. Hiya beautiful Mara. She's beautiful over me. For myself. We have muskila. You need to see my channel, you see my vlog.
चेहरा दिखा दो राइट में आओ
Hello guys.
राइट में आओ इधर चेहरा दिखा अच्छे से आओ
I get my patient. Uy, hello. Kahong. Bumubuong yun si mama doon. Are you insane, the mama? You don't have intention. Ay, intention. English yun.
I'm not going
So you don't fall in love with Sabrina? What if Sabrina fall in love with you? You don't want? Sabrina's beautiful. Talking with my...
هي kill me شوف أنا 2 years هنا موجود خلاص 2 years
ليش انت اول كلام انت ما في girlfriend انت مرة كدب والله
أنا بس
آه.
أنا كلام بس ما في معلومة أي شيء
you need to secret.
yes
Why you secret your girlfriend? You deny your girlfriend. It's not
no
good.
no 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 I'm not
Don't
denying.
deny your wife or girlfriend
No, no, I'm not denying.
because if I your girlfriend I feel hurt.
I'm not denying. But I am not share anybody and a girlfriend and a
Your privacy. It's your privacy.
yes.
You don't want to share anybody. Mashallah. Alhin inti had a girlfriend na Damara beautiful more than me. Eh, so who's beautiful now? She know your girlfriend. Kachikahan ko yung maneho namin.
Yes, message. Why I am calling video call and cut a lot of phone.
You told that?
أنا هي أنا يجي هذا سيارة أنا سيت أنا أقول يلا باي مع السلامة good night
So why you not allowed me to talk to her? I talk to her. Hello, I want to be her friends.
You talk?
But I can understand in Indian.
No, swear English.
She talk English. It's good. We can friends because it's you're my friends. You're inviting me in your married. If you married, you invite me. I go India. You have brother or friend single. You can.
My brother?
Huh?
No.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.